Hi everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can add a friend on Freefire Max. So let's get started. First of all, open Freefire Max on your device. Here you can find message icon and a message and a flag icon on the bottom left corner of your screen. Tap on it. Now you can select friends here. After that, you can find add friend icon. Select the add friend icon, and now you can find a search bar and search icon as well. Tap on the username of your friend and then give it a search. Now you can find a bunch of people available. To add somebody as a friend on Freefire Max, just select the add friend icon next to the username of them. That's it. This is how you can add a friend on Freefire Max. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you'll never miss another gaming update.